Today I am making 4 delicious mocktails perfect for any celebration or event. They're refreshing, non-alcoholic, and made from scratch with fresh fruits using a juicer. So let's get started with the first recipe. It includes 1 cucumber, 2 oranges, a half handful of mint, and 2 ounces of sparkling water. For the next recipe, we'll use about 1 teaspoon of blue spirulina, 1/4 of a pineapple, and 1 inch of ginger along with sparkling water. Next, this recipe calls for 1/4 of a pineapple, 2 oranges, about 2 handfuls of pomegranate, and sparkling water. And last but not least, our final recipe includes half a pomegranate, a small handful of cranberries, half a lime, and sparkling water. And there we have it. So these are 4 delicious mocktail recipes. If you have people that don't want to drink at your events, or maybe it's you yourself and you don't want to have alcohol. These are some really delicious options, and you get to stay healthy. You could definitely add things like sugar rims, peppermint rims, right? But definitely be cautious if you are trying to stay on the healthy side. It may be best to stay away from the added sugar. But aside from that, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you all in the next videos. All right? Take care. Oh, so good.